make things louder. Shit, I can already be loud. Alright, you got the camera, right? Alright, rolling. Okay, my hand is officially stuck.
It's a big ass.
Okay, just close the door, I guess.
Kobe. Oh shit. Suck. Oh fuck.
Hey, who are you? Woo! Okay, anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching the third video. Tomorrow we'll be uploading a video. Hold on, I want to buy something. Whoa, very nice. It's the size of my... Welcome, guys, back to episode 2. Like, usually we'd land like there, you know what I mean? But we landed that way.
Shh. Hurry. Hold on. Spooky.
Guys, this is the only bone I can put in my ass. It's the only one I can fit in. Simon, go, 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 go.
Hello?
Who are you? Oh, fuck.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Work out, big boy. Got it. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. What a fucking idiot. Look at him. Look at that fucking retard.
Why do I feel like this thing's useless? Hum, 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 hum. Oh my
Whoa.
God.
Ha! Orb! Maybe I might record this. All of these drinks. Doors. Oh, Bugman.
Oh no! Kevin, behind you, Diamond! Run, run, run! Behind you, behind you! There's a fucking drill boy! Do you get the footage?
Yes.